It's fucking June 12th, fucking 2025. I'm Brendan Solis, and I'm making this video because the federal government is fucking using fucking a voice emulator to fucking basically have me fucking, or it sound like I'm talking to myself basically. Fucking when I'm making comments towards them fucking using neurotechnology, but I'm not talking to myself, and I'm not fucking sitting here doing anything fucking like fucking wrong by standing up for fucking I don't know, the fucking 8th Amendment being violated, as well as fucking my personal privacy and fucking brain data being violated by the fucking government. And that's the 4th Amendment. So like I said, fucking I'm putting this online fucking as a precautionary measure because I don't trust them. They fucking don't fucking respond to any of my fucking complaints as far as civil rights and this and that from the DOJ, and this is over 50 of them. And this is since fucking March of 2019 until up to date. Anyway, I'm Brendan Solis, Brendan Daryl Solis.